Okay, make sure I'm recording. Yep. This is the Path Maker. Let's get rid of that guy right there. Boop, boop, boop. This is what it does. And for some reason, it's missing a block over there. If you want to add it, you can. It's just positive. Yeah, it's positive on the x-axis. It's missing just 1, 2, 3. Positive on the x-axis, nothing on the z. But yeah, this is the Path Maker. And of course, the slower you go, the more concentrated of a path you're going to get. I have some mossy around because I just filled this area because I was making paths. And you know, the faster you go, the more random it gets, for sure. Looser it gets. And it's super fun, and I have so much fun with it all day long if I do. Brain fart. What was I doing? I should start this video right over. Oh no, I wanted to show you this. Bloop. Bloop. That's how I get rid of my stuff. But anyways, replace fill commands. They're really cool, especially in command blocks, because you can put delays on them. And so they're not ticking all the time. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm just pretty much going to run through it so anybody can come and make this. This is the Path Maker. My bottom row is grass. My top row is cobblestone. And of course, to make this really easy, I used a structure block. And so what I do is I make the first one, and then I structure block, copy it, and paste it right beside it all the way over. And you're just going to change the coordinates, because everything else will be the same. So the first delay is 9, because there is 9 blocks, I think. Something like that, right? And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run through these here. It's this one. So as you can see, it's an execute at sign E for entity, and then we specify its type player, a player that has the item specified here, netherite shovel, and also a specify of location. And don't put that negative sign in there, because that's just telling you that slot is connected to equals, right? You get it? Slot, weapon, main, hand. There are dots in between there, and it's a run fill. And so the first coordinates are the same as the second coordinates. The only difference is the Y. It goes from -2 to +2, so it works on hills. And it replaces grass with grass path. This is Xbox. If you're playing on Java, I do believe it's dirt path. So I'll just run right through these. That's the first one. It's just basically right underneath of your feet. Then you have this one, and yeah, I'll just run through them, and they literally go from 9, 10, 11, 12 as they go. I think they end on 17 or something. I'll just look at these for a second so you can get the numbers for yourself, right? It's pretty simple. You might have to pause. Sorry if I'm not, you know. You're definitely gonna have to pause. I'll be here all day. Yeah. You copy these over. And also make your own coordinates if you want to, right? Like, it does not have to be that. You could simplify this a lot, but the last delay is 17. And so they don't overlap each other, right? Let me pop this up for you. Replace grass. And the top one is cobblestone. This is an extra. Put the delay on if you want to. It's just replacing leaves with air around your body, you know, so it kind of works with trees if they're in your way. You don't have to use that though. That's an extra to the path tool. And we got first one's 25, because I don't want these to come as often, you know what I mean? I want these to be less often than cobblestone. And there it is. Next one is 35. And here it is. And just go right along 45. And you see how these are now outside of the green path, so they're not interfering. They're 2s instead of 1s. Now this turns to 55. I don't know why I made it like this, but you can definitely mess with the timers as much as you want, and you shouldn't have any problems with it. It's just going to make them come in faster or slower, you know. You have to wait a little longer for it to activate the higher you go. Oops. 40. I don't know if I showed you this one's 30. Yeah, so 55 stops, goes into 30, goes into 40. Just in case I didn't show you this one. That's the one that's at 40. Almost got a little confused. This one's at 50. And it's this one. And of course some of them are mossy cobblestone because, you know, it's just easy to put in mossy and have it work. Now I copied this entire thing with a structure block and pasted in twice. And gave myself... made it a netherite sword actually, and instead of... It's using the same concept. It's really cool, except what it does is it changes grass to magma blocks. So I'm just going to show you this right quick because it's fun. I think I still have something up here that's a teleport. Yeah. View. Let's find some grass. Lots of grass. Where's that grass? I was over here before. Well, maybe this video is already too long. How long is this video? 6 minutes? My last one was 7. Because this is really cool. It uses the same concept. It's filling grass with magma blocks, and then very quickly filling magma blocks with grass. Quicker than they come in. It's actually, there's no delay on it filling them back into grass blocks. And you can kill pigs with it. But if you're like 10 blocks within any magma blocks, it's going to turn them into grass blocks. So have fun with this in the nether. You'll have lots of grass in the nether with this. Yeah, it's fun. It's like, don't you want to have a battle? I do. Anyways, that's my video. Pathmaker. You can use it for lots of stuff. I mean, you could literally have it on a delay so that some of these blocks are just spawning an enemy. Like, I mean, around you. Like, you could literally have it on a delay, so every once in a while it's going to spawn a skeleton like 5 blocks away from you. Make that your weapon. Just pull it out and boom, skeleton spawns in front of you, right? Lots of stuff you can do with tildes, and that's all I have to say about that. Thank you.